Oh my god, Aaron, so late. You're unboxing the iPhone 8 Plus so late. I'm not got the iPhone 8 Plus. I'm the cool kid on the block now. Well, actually, it's not even mine, it's my wife's. I'm just helping her unbox. I love you. Okay. This is a 64 gig model, and out of all the colors, she picked the rose gold one. Which is fine. Rose gold is nice. So, let's unbox this thing and see how it looks like in the flesh. So I'm just gonna grab my knife and... Wait, I don't even think I need a knife. Ah, okay. I could just peel. Oh my god, this is progress. Okay. Comes up. As always, just simply love the packaging. Designed by Apple in California, but made in China. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, so instructions in Chinese, English, Chinese but in a different form. Okay, your usual suspects, the Apple stickers. Here you've got the pin to open up the SIM tray. Let's take a look at the iPhone 8 Plus itself. Yeah, it actually looks damn good. Great choice.
Of course.
Okay, let's peel open the skin at the back. Oh my god, look at the glass. Oh, it's one piece. Oh my god. I'm so afraid I'm gonna drop this because someone might kill me. So it's metal all around, and the back, it's glass. Okay, you got a charger, the earpods. So even the packaging of the earpods has changed. It's no longer that plastic case. It's just wrapped around a cardboard case now, which is fine. Then you got your USB cable, charging cable. Unboxing this thing is quite an experience because Apple does it like this. The packaging tells a certain story, so I was just wondering what story the box was trying to tell me. Buy me. No, get away from me, you son of Satan! So this is the rose gold one. Do you guys want me to fire it up? You do? Okay, let's do it. You know, if you ask me, right now I'm feeling a little bit tempted. So the iPhone 8 Plus has a front camera and a dual camera system at the back, which allows for better low light performance and even a certain level of depth of field. It's also got a lightning connector and a stereo speaker system, and wow, I actually like this phone a lot. It's got a glass backing, it feels really hefty, very nicely built. I simply love its rose gold color, and of course it comes with space grey and white as well. But rose gold in my opinion is the nicest color of them all, I think. Of course the iPhone 8 Plus does not have a headphone jack too, but Apple supplies a headphone jack to lightning connector adapter. So you can plug in whatever headset that you are still holding on to if you're not upgrading to Bluetooth headsets yet. But of course that's another reason for you to go wireless, isn't it? Do you think I should get the iPhone 8 Plus, or do you think I should go for the iPhone 10? Because to be honest, I'm not very sure about Face ID. But if you guys have the iPhone 10, you have experience with it, please let me know in the comment section below. We can have the discussion about it. Thank you so much for watching my first ever phone unboxing video. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button next to it to receive the latest notifications whenever I put up a new video every week. Alright, so thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again next time. Cheers. I really want this phone, can I have it?
No.